Hi and welcome back to another quick update around the Message Center. Today we've got an item around creating managed metadata columns directly from a SharePoint list view. Previously, within the modern SharePoint list view, users were able to add a single line of text or a choice field or a yes/no field or something like that directly from the views by using the add column. But one of the features that was missing was a manage metadata field. So users had to go into the more options, which took them into the classic list editor view, and that allowed them to create a manage metadata or a taxonomy field at that point. So moving forward, Microsoft's going to allow the creation of a manage metadata option directly from the SharePoint list view. This is great news for users. It's definitely been missing in my opinion, so I'm looking forward to seeing that come in. Rollout of this feature should be from mid-February 2021 and rolling through March 2021. So today's recording, it's late February, so hopefully users are going to start seeing this in their tenants. There's nothing that you need to do, just make your users aware that this option is going to show up and it will just automatically start presenting itself to users once it gets rolled out into your tenant. Okay, so hopefully that's a good update. Hopefully it's useful for people. I know I will find that useful because I still like manage metadata fields. And thank you for joining me today, and I shall see you soon.